Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Nintendo Switch error code 2002-4373. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to start up their Nintendo Switch after a long time of inactivity, but around 10 seconds after starting the device, the error appears on the screen. According to our research, the error likely comes because of corrupted data on the SD card. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to remove the SD card from your Nintendo Switch. Simply turn off your Nintendo Switch, then take out the SD card and reboot the console. Then check if this helps with the error. If the error still comes, then try initializing your Nintendo console. This will delete all personal data in your console's internal memory, including game data, save data, screenshots, videos, and user information. If you are okay with this, then power off the Switch and turn it back on while holding both volume buttons. Then tap Initialize console without deleting saved data. Once the process is complete, check if the error still comes. If the error continues, then try performing a full factory reset. Keep in mind that doing this will erase all kinds of data from your console. So before moving forward, keep this in mind. Once the factory reset is done, see if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, then contact Nintendo support. At this point, you may need to send your device in for repair. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.